Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon, whatever part of the world you're from. Welcome to Thunderbolt 72. I'm Blake Bolt, and today I got some packages. I believe it's a GoPro and possibly some accessories. So we're going to try to open them up and see how they look, and hopefully they're in there. This is my first time using eBay and Amazon, so be with me. I believe this is the underwater cover to the GoPro, so when I go fishing with Chris Bolt from Bolt Fanatics or on my own, maybe I can get some underwater footage of the fish. This is what I ordered. I got it for $90. A GoPro Hero 3. It looks pretty sharp. It could definitely fit almost anywhere. It fits right in there just like that. It's got an empty slot. That must be for the battery. There the battery is. The battery brand is Wasabi Power. Got a little GoPro sticker. This is just a little thing that can hold the GoPro. It also came with 2 more batteries, one GoPro, one Wasabi Power. SD card here, very small, 16 gigabytes. Looks like it also came with a car charger, so I could charge it on the go. Got lots of these things. I don't think that's part of the GoPro, so I'm gonna put it back. Free bubble wrap. Oh yeah. I'll play with that later though. Alright guys, let's see what we got in the big box. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
3 memory cards for extra data. That'll work out nice on the boat. Oh yeah, baby. It's probably one of my favorite things I got. Little clamp so I could film it anywhere. This will come in handy when I go to lift and try to get different angles, or for fishing or for hunting. Alright, we got this GoPro all charged up. Let's see what it will do. Turn it on, hit the power button, and hit the record button. Oh, hey, there you are. Well, it definitely looks like it's working. Very mobile, as you can see. Can't wait to get some more good angles. This is awesome. Anyway, thanks for joining in. And make sure you subscribe to Thunderbolt 72 for more great content. I'm Blake Bolt, and thank you as always.